just we are going to work upon on teaching learning of phrase, phrase part 2, right? In this part we will study we will study noun phrase, and noun phrase in the form of gerund phrase and infinitive phrase. So the first is gerund phrase, right? I think that you know well that gerund is verb plus ing, right? Like that we say I like playing cricket. Yeah, I like teaching. So teaching, teach plus ing, teaching is a gerund here. मुझे पढ़ाना पसंद है. तो इसमें अगर हिंदी में बात करें तो ना का जो साउंड क्रिएट होता है वर्ब के साथ, खैर वो तो जब जीरन टॉपिक में हम और डिस्कशन करते हैं, बट हम ये बात करना चाहेंगे कि जीरन फ्रेज क्या है, राइट? सो जीरन फ्रेज मीन्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. इफ आई से आई लाइक टीचिंग इंग्लिश, so teaching and English, now they are two words here. So teaching English is a phrase, right? So a gerund phrase is simply a noun phrase that starts with the gerund, right? Examples include, right? Taking my dog for a walk is fun. This is gerund here, verb plus ing, right? My dog for a walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. There are 6 words in this phrase. This phrase is a subject here and working as a noun. So that's why ultimately this is a noun phrase, right? In the form of gerund, as gerund is also noun. Yeah, verb plus ing, in this sense that becomes a noun. So here this is a subject, right? This gerund phrase in the or noun phrase is a subject here. Next example, walking. Up suppose only walking. Suppose I write here walking can be difficult. So only simple gerund, simple only one noun. Here there are 4 words. Walking in the rain. Walking in the rain can be difficult, right? बरसात में टहलना परेशानी हो सकती है, परेशानी का कारण हो सकता है, right? Okay, next. Strolling along a beach at sunset is romantic, right? So this is also as strolling is a gerund here and with other words, so this is gerund phrase, right? And working as a noun. Next example, getting a promotion is exciting. Next, signing, okay. Autographs takes time. Going for ice cream is a real treat. Singing for his supper was how he earned his keep, right? This is a noun phrase in the form of gerund phrase, right? Getting a sore back was the result of the golf game, right? Now infinitive phrase. I think you all know about infinitive. जैसे मैं कहता हूँ कि I like to play, right? तो infinitive is a to plus verb. to plus verb. So I like to play cricket. I like to play. Okay, so to play is a noun here, right? Because to plus verb in the form of infinitive is also a noun. I can also say I like playing, that is gerund. I like to play, this is infinitive. But when I say I like to play cricket, so you have two words here, play and cricket, so that is phrase. There are many other examples. An infinitive phrase is a noun phrase that begins with an infinitive verb, right? Here are some examples. To, okay, make lemonade, right? After to there are two words, right? So this part is infinitive and infinitive phrase, right? To make is only infinitive, but to make lemonade is infinitive phrase and working as a noun. So this is a noun phrase. To make lemonade, you have to start with lemons, right? I try to see the stage. यहाँ पे ये आपका to see the stage, but I was too short, right? मैंने स्टेज देखने की कोशिश की. देखिए इसमें भी क्या होता है कि वर्ब के साथ ना निकलता है, तब ये है ना, देखने ना निकल रहा है यहाँ पे. मैंने स्टेज देखने की कोशिश की लेकिन मैं बहुत छोटा था. स्टेज ऊंचाई पर रही होगी. She organized a boycott to make a statement, right? ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन पर है, राइट? लेकिन जेरेंडी अब इन्फिनेटिव फ्रेज है. टू सी, ओके, नियाग्रा फॉल्स इज माइंड बॉगलिंग, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट. ओके, to donate time for money is an honorable thing. There are many examples to make you understand, okay, the actual structure by providing large number of examples. I went to Spain to study the language and culture. मैं स्पेन गया, okay, language और culture को study करने के लिए. In this way,